How to use clone apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to secretly use dual apps on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here's a step-by-step guide of how you can do this. This video is going to be super interesting, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to use dual or clone apps, the very first thing that you have to do from your Samsung phone, simply going to open up the settings, and from the settings you just need to scroll down to this option, security and privacy. You just need to get into this one and then scroll down to this option, secure folders. Let's go ahead and tap on this, and this is asking me to enter my pin right here. So if you're doing it for the first time, this will ask you to set up the pin. Go ahead and set up your pin and get ready for the secure folder. And once you're done, you're pretty much good to go. Just need to get back from here, and from your home page you just need to go to the app library, and from the app library you just need to search for secure folder. And once you search with the secure, you'll get to see the secure folder will be showing up if you have set it up correctly. You just need to get into the secure folder here, and this will again ask you to enter the password that you have recently set it up. So I'm going to enter the password here, and once you have entered the password, this will get into the secure folder option. Now to clone the app, all you have to do is just need to tap on this plus icon here. Now once you do that, this is going to show you all the apps that you have on your device. So let's go ahead and select those apps that you want to make a clone. So let's say I'm going to select the WhatsApp, for example. So you can select multiple application if you want to, and then go and tap on add, and the WhatsApp application will be added here. Now if I select the WhatsApp, you'll get to see the WhatsApp will appear with the new interface. So you can actually go ahead and tap and agree. So you can actually log in with a phone number. This is going to be super hidden, and this is totally a clone. I already have in WhatsApp. You'll get to see I have another WhatsApp if I get back from here, and if I go to the WhatsApp, you'll get to see I have a different WhatsApp here. So this is how you actually can secretly use clone or dual apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.